Ang realization na may end din sa life na to, at least para sa akin, ay nakakatakot at the same time ay nakakalungkot. Napakasaya ng buhay ko, and I can say na nagsimula yan nung makilala ko yung aking asawa, si Joanne. By the way, mag-celebrate na kami ng 15th year wedding anniversary this April. Hindi naman perfect yung life namin together, pero I can say na most of the time, like 99% of the time, kami ay masaya, and I really love it. And to think na someday these two will end, nakakalungkot yan. Siguro nasa edad na ako ngayon na nag-wonder ako paminsan-minsan. Kumusta kaya yung buhay namin when we get older? We don't have kids. And unfortunately, medically speaking, we will never have one. Itong mga nakaraan, may nakita akong videos ng mga old couples. Like really old. Mga bedridden na kayong iba sa kanila. They're still madly in love. At the same time, saying goodbye sa spouse nila. It gives me joy na makita yung mga videos na yon. Of course, them expressing their love sa isa't isa. Pero at the same time, it saddens me. They never fail to make me think about me and my wife's future. Sa Netflix, meron akong isang sobrang nagustuhan na series, Afterlife. It's a comedy drama, well, mostly drama, may counting comedy. Tungkol ito kay Tony na grieving sa pagkawala ng kanyang wife na si Lisa. Minsan sa opisina, isa sa katrabaho ni Tony, si Kath, ay nagtanong sa kanya. Ito yung eksena.
If death is just the end, what's the point?
What's the point in what?
Living. Might as well just kill yourself.
So if you're watching a movie and you're really enjoying it, something with Kevin Hart in,
Yeah.
and someone points out that this will end eventually, do you just go, oh, forget it then, what's the point, and just turn it off?
No, because I can watch it again.
Well, I think life is precious because you can't watch it again. I mean, you can believe in an afterlife if that makes you feel better. Doesn't mean it's true. But once you realise you're not going to be around forever, I think that's what makes life so magical. One day you'll eat your last meal, smell your last flower, hug your friend for the very last time. You might not know it's the last time. So that's why you should do everything you love with passion, you know? Treasure the few years you've got because that's all there is.
Itong sagot na to ni Tony gave me hope. Hindi man ito yung answer na hinahanap ko. Baka naman hindi ko talaga alam yung hinahanap ko. Pero it comforted me. Oo nga naman, I know that this life will pass and so is everyone else's life. And I might as well just enjoy it with Joanne. Masaya naman yung life na to with Joanne eh. Steady lang. Sa'yo, I hope na steady lang din yung buhay. Cheers!